Alex is learning Python functions. He creates a variable and uses it inside a function. Everything looks correct. He clicks run. But again, Python shows another error. This error is called unbound local error. And it usually happens when Python gets confused between local and global variables. Think of it like this. Alex works in a company. There is a public company notice board that everyone can read. And there is also a personal notebook that belongs only to Alex. Python treats variables in a similar way. Some variables are global, others are local to a function. This variable is created outside the function. That makes it a global variable. Every function can read it. Now look at this line. Because a value is being assigned to count, Python assumes count is a local variable. But before creating that local variable, the code tries to read it. That creates the error. Python sees this situation like you are trying to use a local variable before it exists. And so it raises an unbound local error. One solution is using the global keyword. Now Python understands that count refers to the global variable. Another approach is even better. Pass values into functions and return new values instead of modifying global variables directly. This keeps code cleaner and easier to maintain. This approach avoids the problem completely, and it is commonly used in real projects. Whenever you see unbound local error, ask yourself these questions. Am I modifying a global variable inside a function? Did Python treat my variable as local? Should I use global or return a new value instead? Most unbounded local errors are solved by understanding the variable scope. Alex fixes the scope issues, runs the program again, and everything works perfectly. Problem solved.